Hey guys, it's Attorney Edward Littlejohn here for another edition of Ask Ed Live. Today we're going to talk about the difference between a living will and a healthcare power of attorney. So, one of the first things that I want everyone to know is that it's very important to do some planning. I like to tell people all the time that a little bit of planning goes a long way. And so what I mean by that is if you do some planning today, it'll take care of your family in the future and for years to come. So, what's a living will versus a healthcare power of attorney? Well, a living will decides today whether or not you want to be on life support, what's going to happen to you in a permanently unconscious state, or when they can pull the plug, right? It also talks about your organs. Do you want your organs to be donated? And different things like that. But the biggest thing that I want everybody to understand is with a living will, you decide today how you want your situation to be handled in the future. Now, with the healthcare power of attorney, you designate someone else to make that decision in the future. Okay? And so when you designate someone else to make that decision in the future, it allows them to have a clearer picture of your entire situation. It allows them to have a clearer picture on your chances of recovery and your chances of success. Whereas the living will is a decision that you make today, and the healthcare power of attorney is you making a decision today that somebody else will decide what's best for you in the future when they have a complete picture. The healthcare power of attorney and the living will both cover your healthcare needs in terms of what kind of treatment you're going to receive, the facilities that you can or can't go to. But the biggest distinction is the decision making. Do you want to make the decision today versus someone else being able to make the decision tomorrow? We highly recommend that you get a healthcare power of attorney and let someone make a decision tomorrow because they can have a complete picture of what's going on in your affairs. Now, if you're not sure which one's best for you, give us a call so that we can help you out. And remember, where there's a will, there's a way. Where there's no will, then there's probate.